Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome to my channel, Bridget here again. So today it's just going to be a vegetarian side dish and it's none other than a famous Anglo-Indian Bandycoy and tomato vegetable side dish. Bandycoy is nothing but okra or lady's finger, and one of the most simplest recipes that you could ever think of. So just keep watching. So I have taken about 250 grams of okra that I've cut on a cross. Now the reason why I cut it on a cross is that when you fry it, it doesn't give out much of the slimy substance. So that's the reason why I cut these okras on a cross. So now what we are going to do, we are just going to mix some chili powder, turmeric and cumin or jeera powder into this, and then we'll start the actual cooking. So I'm going to take quarter teaspoon of turmeric and sprinkle it. Then like half a teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, and chili powder to taste, whether it's half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon depending on how pungent you need it, and salt to taste. So now we just mix this all together. This is another reason why we mix the powders together with this, so that when cooking it doesn't give out much of the slimy substance, doesn't get sticky. So now let's start cooking. And I must mention that when you're cooking okra, you wash the okra when it's whole. Never wash after you cut it. So once you wash it when it's whole, dry it well with a kitchen towel and only then you slice it. That's the secret of it not getting sticky or slimy. So I've added 2 tablespoons of oil in this pan, and I'm going to add the sliced onion. You could take around 2 small onions or 1 large or medium sized onion, cut it into slices, and now we'll fry this quite well. Can add some curry leaves, maybe like 5 or 6 curry leaves. So fry this well. Now we'll add in 2 chopped tomatoes. And fry it. Now that we have fried the tomatoes a little lightly, we can add in our okra. Okay, give it a good stir. And now we just continue to cook on high heat without closing it till the okra is cooked, but still not mushy. Yeah, and as I told you, no slime, because we washed it first and then we cut it. and we cut it on a cross. And now you can see that our okra is quite tender. It still has the crunch. And now our side dish is ready. It took hardly 7 to 10 minutes. And you can see that it has retained its beautiful green color. Okra side dish is ready. Can have it with as a side dish at lunch with rice, pepper water, some meat curry, anything. So our Bandycoy side dish is ready. Bandycoy is Anglo-Indian parlance for lady's finger or okra. The most easiest and tastiest side dish that you could think of. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. One more thing I want to tell you all is that I do these videos by myself, so they're not very professional. It's just that as I'm cooking, I'm taking out these videos, so please bear with me, but I promise you I'm getting better with each one that I'm doing. So thank you and God bless.